In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image to gallery view in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean gallery where each card displays a cover image sized just the way you like. Start by creating a new page in Notion. With your page open, use the / command to add a database. Type a /, then type gallery, and choose the gallery option that appears. This sets up a gallery view so your content can be displayed as visual cards. With the gallery in place, add your first item. Click New Page inside the gallery to open a blank page. To attach an image that will later show on the gallery card, click Add Cover at the top of the page. You'll see a default image appear. Click Change to pick exactly what you want. From here, you can choose Gallery to browse options or switch to Upload if you want to add a file from your computer. Select the image you'd like to use and confirm. If needed, you can reposition the cover so the subject is centered and looks great in a card layout. Return to the gallery and create another item so you have more than one card to preview. Click New Page again. Click Add Cover and select another image using the same approach. Keeping consistent image dimensions helps your gallery look tidy, but Notion will handle cropping for you. Now, fine-tune how those images appear on the gallery itself. Open the view settings for your gallery. In the settings, locate card preview and change it to page cover. This tells Notion to use the page's cover image as the thumbnail for each card in the gallery, which is exactly what we want for a visual board. Next, adjust how large those cards appear. In the same settings, find card size and choose large. This makes your images more prominent and easier to scan. If you prefer a denser layout later, you can always come back and switch sizes, but large is perfect for a visual first gallery. That's it. You created a gallery, added pages, set a cover image for each, and configured the gallery to show the page covers on large cards. From here, keep adding new page entries and repeat the add cover step to build out your board. If you ever change an image, just click Change on the cover again. Your gallery cards will update automatically. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Notion gallery with images front and center.